Hello. So we're going to make this called Chef Barbecue Choice flavor, St. Louis style. I think this is spare ribs. Of course, you see, I like to get at the bargain part. So all this for $7.19. So let me see if I can get this peel off so we'll see what it says underneath it. Okay. So I think it says St. Louis something or another. Yeah, St. Louis style spare ribs. Made in the USA, which is always a plus, which means there's some kind of, look like cheer sauce, fine or something. Okay. Let's see. So it looks like it keeps refrigerated. It's microwavable, so you can put it in the microwave. And I believe it is it's fully cooked, which means you don't have to put it in for hours. You usually put it in 10, 15 minutes, just enough to get it hot. It is also microwavable, so you can stick it in the microwave if you got a microwave big enough to hold this. But we're not going to microwave style. We got to cook it in the oven. Oh, yes, sir. So we're going to go ahead and cut it with my handy dandy. Oh, I know the juice is going to squeeze out. Oh, it didn't. Shocking. Let's go ahead and slide this on over. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Just squeeze it out. Oh, yes. We're going to take this, squeeze all the goodness out of it. Oh, yeah. You can't waste any of this stuff, man. Oh, I think I'm making a mess. Oh, I am making a mess. Oh. That's what I get, trying to get every little bit. See, look at that. Squeeze all that goodness out of there. Now I got to clean up this mess I just made. I'm going to go ahead. Look at that. Let me zoom in so you can get a better look. Look at that goodness. Now, the packaging doesn't tell me how long this should cook. But knowing that it's already fully cooked, I just need to put it in there long enough to heat it up. So we're talking maybe 10, 15 minutes, 350 degrees. Sounds good? It sounds good to me too. All right, I'll be back. Okay, look at this. Look how nice and toasty and delicious. Let's see if I can find a joint where there's no bone. Oh, I think I may have lucked up. Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. Thing about ribs, you got to find that part where there's no bone and just gristle. Okay. All right. Look at that. 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 Transfer that over to a plate, to a bowl. I'm sorry for licking my fingers. I know that's pretty close to Neanderthal type stuff. But the sauce that they use on this rib is absolutely mouthwatering. And it peels off so well. St. Louis style spare ribs, pre-cooked. Wow, this is actually, I don't lick my fingers often, but when I do, you know it's delicious. Let me grab another one, a slice of this. Holy smackle. Go ahead and get into the get. Oh yeah, here we go. Look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that. You can't tell me. Oh goodness, look at that. The sauce by itself makes it quite delicious. And since this is a pre-cooked You don't have to spend hours preparing it because it's already done. All you gotta do is warm it up. Absolutely delicious. This is awesome. It's so mouth-watering. There's almost very little effort you have to put in. Delicious. I actually got this from Food Line. I'm pretty sure the other stores may have them. If you can get it on sale, it's even better. I don't know what the retail cost is for it. Wow. This is really, really good. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is a solid 9.5. Absolutely delicious. Mouth-watering, tender, soft, flavorful. Oh my gosh. This is good. It's a shame I'm licking my fingers. But anyway, family, enjoy yourself. This St. Louis style, flavored spare ribs, absolutely, and it's pre-cooked. So, like I said, I know I'm repeating myself. I cannot emphasize enough how this is pre-cooked, which means it takes you like 10, 15 minutes. You put it in the oven just to heat it up. Great for meals during the weekdays when you have to work. Both parents, especially if you have a two-parent household that both parents are working. You throw this in the oven, or your oh my goodness, I can't say nothing else. This is absolutely delicious. I highly recommend it. 9.5 good. It's delicious. Mouth-watering. You take care, family. Talk to you later.